everyone, this is Laura from Organised Well and I'm here to give you today's top tip for National Organising Week. Thinking about your mail, post comes in every day into our home. There's a few things you can do to help you manage your post, make sure you keep on top of it. So one thing is to make sure that any post that you don't want to receive, you either contact the provider or write on the front of the envelope, no longer wish to receive this, and pop it back in the post box, and then they can deal with it back at their office. The other thing to do is get into a habit or make sure that you've got a container by your front door ready to open your post, pop your envelope straight in the recycling, and any letters that you don't need or not interested in, along with any leaflets and things that you don't need. Pop them all straight in the recycling. They can go out into the recycling bin. You don't need to keep them in your home. Any letters that you do need, if it's about dates or information, pop it in your diary straight away, then you won't forget about it. If it's something you need to action and you don't have time to do straight away, put it in a letter rack or somewhere, one place in your home where you know that you're always going to keep those letters, but make sure that every week you go back to that place, you go through everything and you action it. You make the relevant phone calls, you book the relevant appointments, you contact the people you need to contact. Once you've taken that action, then you can decide whether you need to keep that document in your important documents file or whether to recycle it.